Belfyre, and a burst finish.
Belfyre, and a burst finish.
Welcome back to the AJV channel. In this video, we have our Lightning Pandora right here. Obviously stock combo against our Divine Evo Belfyre in this matchup. It should be very, very insane, epic, and crazy. Obviously, let's get into the battles. And yeah, obviously before this battle begins, be sure to hit like, hit comment, subscribe. Really means a lot. Thank you for the support. And yeah, the support keeps the channel going. Yeah, thank you so much. And yeah, let's go to the battles. Okay, so obviously it's going to be first to 5 points in each stadium. We're going to have different stadiums. Ring out's 1 point, survivor finish is 1 point, burst finish is 2 points. If I mislaunch the same bay twice in the same round, that means the other bay will get the point. Okay, straightforward enough? Let's do it. Okay, so obviously we're starting off in the most bland stadium, why not? And then we'll get more and more extreme. Perhaps QuadStrike, perhaps Interstellar, you know? Yeah, let's do it. Obviously, Lightning Pandora goes first. Here's a stamina type, that is unfair. And I'll Divine Belfyre. Around Belfyre goes. Can Belfyre get the point, or will Pandora's stamina just be too much for Belfyre? And Belfyre runs out of steam. First point, Lightning Pandora. Alright, let's tilt launch our Pandora here. And this flat launch. Our Divine Belfyre. Big attacks, he's going to need the attacks if he wants to win. His stamina is very weak by the looks of this. And he's already out. Okay, 2 points to Pandora. Go shooter. Go shooter. Come on, Belfyre, let's get a point. Big hits. Come on, Belfyre. And again, Pandora just tanks the hits. 3-0. Alright, Pandora against Belfyre. Let's see if Belfyre can burst him. Big hits. Come on, Belfyre. And no, once again, Pandora just tanks the hits. 4-0. Can Belfyre even get a point? Round and around, Belfyre goes. And no, he cannot. Your winner of the match is Pandora right there. Just going to a different stadium now. Our next stadium is the throwback from Rise. It is the original Rise stadium that came with Ace Dragon and Bishan Ashra. So yeah, let's get into it. Pandora, Divine Belfyre. He should be able to ride the rails. It should give him an advantage. Big hits. Come on, Belfyre. This is your chance. And Pandora takes another spin finish. Okay. Pandora. Belfyre, come and use the rail. Use the brink. Big hits. Come on, Belfyre. Get a win. And again, just the stamina on Pandora makes it 2-0. Pandora. Let's tilt launch our Belfyre. Let's see if he does anything. Come on, Divine Evo Belfyre. Let's do it. Big hits, but they're not doing nothing. Pandora is just tanking Belfyre. And once again, 3-0. Pandora is just too strong. Pandora. Belfyre. And a burst finish. What a move. Very, very, very smart from Divine Evo Belfyre, and he makes the score 2-3. All right, Pandora, Belfyre, come on, Belfyre, do it again. He's a lot more aggressive now, but that is to his own downfall. Pandora just needs a point, and he has won. Pandora, Belfyre. Come on, Belfyre. B8. And that's it. Oh man, Belfyre just couldn't hold on. Pandora takes this win. On to the next stadium. I thought I'd bring out one of the most expensive Hasbro stadiums, one of the most epic ones, one of the most coolest ones. The QuadStrike base stadium. Obviously, this came with our Evo Hyperion and our Evo Lucis. And yeah, let's see, can Divine Belial do it in here? So which one's right spin again? Wait, hold on. Alright, we'll put it in that spin for now. Let's see how good it goes. Pandora. Belfyre. Big hit and Belfyre. Okay, Pandora takes the first point, spin finish. Now this changed the rotation. Okay? Right spin. Let's go, Pandora. Divine Belfyre. Belfyre's going to need those hits. And he's going to use the motor strap feature to take it. No, he is not. Now we're going to do a match with no engine in it. And let's see how good this goes. Alright, so there's our Pandora. And here's our Belfyre. Big hits. Can Pandora tank Belfyre again? Oh, he does. Pandora, man, takes the point. Alright, let's put it back in now, and we'll put it in right spin again. Okay. Pandora. Belfyre. Let's go with Pandora. And Belfyre just gets taken out. That's it for Belfyre, apparently. Okay. Let's go left spin now to finish it off. Go shooter. Go shoot. Alright. Can Belfyre make a comeback, or is it too late? Let's find out. And it is over. It is over. Pandora wins in the Motor Strike battle set. Alright, on to the next stadium. Next stadium is going to be the newest one, which is the Lightning Strike Battle Stadium. I believe that is what it's called. And yeah, let's go into it. Alright. Hopefully we can see a different result instead of just Pandora just tanking the hits and winning. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Full way for the launch. Let's see if Belfyre can actually take this. Okay, big hits. But once again, Pandora just tanks the hits. Pandora might just be on a different league. Alright. Belfyre, let's see what he can do. He's going to have to really try to hit him in order to take this. But it looks like Pandora's just taking again. And that is all she wrote. 2-0. Alright, Pandora tilt launch. Let's see what Belfyre can do with the tilt launch. Alright, big hits. He needs to keep it up. But the stamina is just not there. It is just not there. And Belfyre loses again, 3-0. Alright, let's launch him in a different area of the stadium. Let's see if Belfyre can take it, or is Pandora going to take a 4-0 lead. And Pandora does take a 4-0 lead. Oh well, that's just too sad. Alright. Go shooter. Go shooter. Come on, Belfyre. Get some type of momentum here. And it's over. Pandora wins in the QuadStrike battle set. Okay, so I think a good way to end off this matchup right here with the final stadium would be with the stadium before this starter set, which was obviously Destruction Belfyre, and I believe, man, I forgot who it was. Magma Ifrit, that's right, Magma Ifrit. Alright, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I haven't used this stadium too much. Okay, shoot. So I'll be surprised to know what happens here. Let's see if Belfyre can actually get some wins here. Or is it too late? And Pandora takes another spin finish. Alright, go shoot. Go shoot. Let's see what Belfyre can do here. Come on, Belfyre, get a burst. And again, a stamina finish. Pandora takes it. Alright, let's launch him up there. See what happens. Alright, Belfyre. Belfyre just wasting all his stamina. 3-0. Pandora takes it. Pandora. Belfyre. Big hits. Come on, Pandora. Take it. And Pandora takes the win. Alright, this might be the last match. Come on, this is your last hope. Destruction Belfyre. Come on, Belfyre. Come on, hit him, Belfyre. Oh, and your winner of the last stadium is Pandora. The scoreboard is just ridiculous. It was 2 points for Destruction Belfyre out of all those matches. 25 points with Pandora. So obviously the winner of this battle is Pandora. That is just ridiculous. The stamina is just not good enough on this to handle Pandora. And Pandora obviously knows what he's doing, you know. Great stamina with Pandora. This is just lacking stamina, but I'm pretty sure against other bays this should do better, you know, against less spins. So yeah, let's hope that happens. And until then, see you in the next one. Hit like, hit comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.